November 17th, 2020 review. All right, so peanut butter and jelly trail mix is made by combining 4 ounces of peanut butter with 6 ounces of grape jelly. A ratio table has been started to show the relationship with different batches of trail mix. Use the ratio table to determine how many ounces of peanut butter are there for every 18 ounces of grape jelly. All right, so first what we need to do is we need to finish this table because it's looking a little empty. All right, so first of all, we can look at what it tells us. So it says 4 ounces of peanut butter. So 4 ounces of peanut butter with 6 ounces of grape jelly. So 4 ounces of peanut butter. So over where it's peanut butter, I'm going to put above it, I'm going to put 4. Grape jelly, it says 6 ounces of grape jelly. So I'm going to put a 6 above grape jelly. Now, can we get from 4 to 6 by multiplying or dividing easily? Not quite. So what we're going to have to do is use our noodles, which is perfectly fine. Let me put them in the front, actually. Uno momento, por favor. All right, there we go. So we're going to use our noodles here. We are going to go from 4 to 8, and then we're going to go from 6 to blank. So to get from 4 to 8, I know 4 times 2 is 8, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. Then I need to move these in front. Sorry, everybody. Give me 1 second. There we go. All right, so we're going to multiply by 2. What I do to one side, I must do to the other. So 6 times 2 is going to be 12. All right, so I'm done with this part of our table. Let's go ahead and extend it. All right, now what we do see is we see a 6 and an 18 here. So how do I get from 6 to 18? I know I multiply by 3. So what I do to one side, I must do to the other. 4 times 3 is going to be 12. All right, let's extend our noodles. Now, we are going to skip this row and we're going to do the next row because we know that we have a number here. So we can get from 4 to 20, right? And how can we get from 4 to 20? We can multiply by 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So what we do to one side, we must do to the other. 6 times 5 is going to be 30. 6 times 5 is 30. Now, can you see a pattern in our table? So if I look over here, I have 4, 8, 12. Maybe we're going up by 4s. So 16, 20, 24. 24. On this side with our grape jelly, we're going up by 6s. 6, 12, 18, 24, not 23, 24, 30, and then 36. And so on. Now that we have our table filled out, we're going to use this ratio table to determine how many ounces of peanut butter are there for every 18 ounces of grape jelly. So, how many ounces of peanut butter? We don't know. But the grape jelly, it says 18 ounces of grape jelly. So we're going to look for that 18 ounces of grape jelly. So here's our grape jelly. We're going to look for 18. Oh, here's that 18. So 18 ounces of grape jelly. We are going to look at, and we're going to see, oh, there's 12 ounces of peanut butter. So that 12 is going to be 12 ounces. Let me center that. There we go. So 12 ounces of peanut butter. So there will be 12 ounces of peanut butter for every 18 ounces of jelly. And that is it for our review. Great job.